In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview your Thinkific course as a student. By the end, you'll know exactly how to see your course through your learner's eyes, so you can catch issues and polish the experience before anyone enrolls. Start on your Thinkific dashboard. From here, head to Products, then select Courses. This is where all of your courses live. Choose the course you want to check and open it. That will drop you into the Course Builder, where you can see your curriculum, lessons, and settings. Look to the top right corner of the Course Builder for the Preview button. Think of this as your shortcut to a student view. It's always there while you're editing, so you can quickly jump into a realistic preview whenever you make changes. When you click Preview, you'll be asked how you want to preview. You have three options. Current Lesson will open the specific lesson you've selected in the Builder, which is perfect for spot-checking a single video, quiz, or download. All Lessons, including drafts, shows everything in your course, even pieces that aren't published yet. Use this when you want to review the full flow and make sure your draft content fits well with your published lessons. All published lessons shows only what your current students will see. Choose this if you want a true, learner-accurate view of the course as it currently stands. After you choose, a new browser tab opens and simulates the course player exactly like a student would see it. This means you can move through the curriculum, click Next and back, open downloads, and experience your multimedia just as your audience will. It's a great way to confirm your navigation feels intuitive and your lesson order makes sense. As you explore, test your video playback to ensure it loads quickly and displays at the right quality. Step through the lessons to confirm the sequence is logical and nothing is accidentally hidden. Try the quizzes to verify the questions appear correctly and the feedback behaves the way you expect. If anything looks off, just switch back to the Course Builder tab, make your tweaks, and use Preview again to recheck your changes. This small preview habit pays off. You'll catch broken links, mismatched titles, or missing files before students encounter them, and you'll build confidence that your course is smooth, engaging, and ready to deliver. That's all there is to it. Use the Preview button to see exactly what your learners will experience and refine your course with clarity and ease.